Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another dollar, right? Anyways, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. We've been online since about 10:45, and today seems a lot like yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, the map was gray when I got online, which is weird, rare. And it took us about 20 minutes just to get this order here from Einstein Bagel showing 625. I think it's like 3.5 miles. Honestly, I just took it so we can get the blood flowing, get the first order in the books. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. The food was ready, which is a plus. I don't see a lot of dashers, but at the same time, they're probably maybe doing orders. I don't know. So today we're gonna kind of play by ear. I'm gonna toss up a goal today of $200. Even if it is slow, I think we can grind and at least do $200 today on Sunday. There is football playing, so maybe people will order. You never know. So yeah, let me get this dropped off, and then we'll see you guys on the next delivery. Alrighty guys, and then just like that, we got the first order in the books, and then right away we got this order here from Jersey Mike's. I believe it was showing 750, 7 or 8 items. I think just under 4 miles, if I'm not mistaken. But honestly, I jumped on it right away because I have a feeling, like I said, I think it's gonna be slow. So I think we need to make sure that we maximize our opportunities today. So as soon as I saw it, we took it. The food was ready, which makes it even better. Now we're about 10 minutes away from the drop off. Yeah, so let's go ahead and keep this going. We're having a pretty exciting first 30 minutes or so of our dash. Let's go. Alrighty guys, got the order from Jersey Mike's dropped off. I was making my way towards the town center. I wasn't getting anything at all. So I was really glad that I took it. Then we got this order here from Pliable showing 625, like 3.5 miles, 1 item. We're gonna go ahead and take it because I have a feeling that if I don't take it, we're gonna be sitting around, and that's not what I want to do. I'm trying to make some money, So let me get this picked up. We'll see you guys at the drop. Alrighty guys, got the order from Pliables delivered, and then I think we're sitting at 20.25 here for the whole shift, which isn't that bad considering 1 hour's worth of work basically. It's currently 11:53, so yeah, we did about 20 bucks an hour. So I think that's a success considering how slow it feels. Right now I'm getting bombarded with a bunch of Taco Bell no tip orders, which really sucks. So we'll catch you guys on whenever we have another order. Alrighty guys, we have our next order here from Poke Hub. We were lucky enough to, I was like looping around the town center when they gave me the offer, and I was like right in front of Poke Hub. So I was able to park real quick. Got the order was ready. Poke Hub and Sweet Green in my area. Food's always ready, which is why I love going there. So I think it was showing 675, 2 items, 3.1 miles. What's not to love, right? So got the food picked up. We're on the way now, and I've seen a ton of dashers just parked. So I guarantee you this order probably bounced around a few times. A lot of people in my area, a lot of dashers that I know, will not move unless the order is $8 or higher. So in my mind, they probably sit a lot because the offers are not like that anymore. Maybe like 6, 7, 8 months ago, a year ago, Doordash would offer $8.25, $8.50s, $8, and you knew that was a hidden tip. Now that's become like $6.25, $6.50, $7, So I don't know how they're making money. Maybe they do Uber Eats or Grubhub, although Grubhub for me is super, super slow. I've scheduled blocks just to increase my chances, and nothing but crickets. But I'm sure they'll come in clutch one of these days. But let me get this dropped off, and then we'll get back on the road. Alrighty guys, we have our next order here from McDonald's showing 725. I think it's like 3 miles maybe. Honestly, I took it because I was passing by the McDonald's to begin with, and 725, why not, right? And it's still gonna leave me like within minutes of the town center. So I think it's a win-win. And to be honest, full disclosure, I was going to McDonald's anyways to get a coffee, so it was a win-win-win. But yeah, let me get that dropped off. We'll get back on the road. Alrighty guys, quick little update here. It's currently 1:15 in the afternoon. We did one order here off screen. I was on the phone and I couldn't record any of it. It was for Chipotle, ended up being 725. And then look at the offer they sent me here from Honeygrow. It said catering bag required, but it was only showing $4.75 as the pay. That's a no tip order, so that's kind of weird. I could have risked it, but I decided not to because I didn't want to be disappointed, So anyways, we're just chilling here now until we get another decent order, so we'll see you then. Alrighty guys, it's currently 1:35, so it's been a minute since last checking in, and we finally have another order here from True Food Kitchen. I think it was showing 625, if I'm not mistaken. A couple of items. Oh, 675, I'm sorry, 675, a couple of items. So yeah, it was the best order that I've seen. Again, today seems way slower than yesterday. So if it keeps up, we might not dash till 7. like I was planning to, because it's just really, really slow. But if it does pick up, we'll keep it going. Of course, we'll let you guys know. But yeah, as of right now, after this, we'll be almost at $50. So in the end, not bad, but not great, definitely. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it going for now. We'll see you guys on the next delivery. Alright guys, got the order dropped off. Now we're sitting at $51.75, so we had a little bit of extra pay on the last order, which we'll take it. We'll take it, no problem. Now we're making our way back to the town center, and I'm really trying not to park. That's always my goal, is to get an order before I have to park. But today, that has not worked at all. I think I parked like every single time after doing the first 2 orders. Yeah, nothing but declining a bunch of garbage. Like, did people spend all their money on Black Friday? Is that why no one's tipping? Like, what's going on? Look at this, $5.50, 15 miles from Savage Burrito. That's insane. No, we're not running a charity over here. We're trying to make some money. But anyways, guys, currently 151. So we'll see how long it takes us to get our next order. We'll see you guys then. Alrighty guys, we're back on the road here. I got this order from Playa Bowls showing 675, 3.5 miles. Luckily, we didn't have to wait much longer after the last clip. Parking is an issue though, because during winter time at the town center, they have like an ice rink so people can skate. And of course, people come out, which means less parking. And Playa Bowls is like right in front of the ice rink. So parking was a bit of an issue, but we were able to finesse some things real quick. Now we're back in the car. We're about 6-7 minutes away here, and we're gonna take any order that makes sense in the miles department, like this one showing 675, 3.5 miles. As long as it makes sense, we're taking it. Let me check this Grubhub order here real quick, because I hear it, but let me see. What does it say? Panera Bread, 4.3 miles, $5. No. So that's an order that doesn't make sense in the miles department. So anyways, guys, it's currently 2 o'clock. Let's get this dropped off and keep it going. Alrighty, guys, we just dropped off the order, and I kid you not, it was going to the same house I just delivered at. Like, my previous order was to the same house, different name. So I mean, obviously multiple people live in a house, but that's crazy. So yeah, and they both tipped really well, so shout out to them. But we're currently sitting at $64, $210. Making my way back towards the town center. Hopefully we get something, because the goal is not to park, because if we park and we go like idle, like if I'm just chilling in the car, it's not good for me. It's just not how I'm wired. I need to be active. But yeah, but that was crazy. How often does that even happen? Like, getting 2 orders back to back from different merchants, going to the same house to different people. So anyways, hopefully we get an order soon. We'll see you guys back on the road. Guys, quick little update. It's 2:35. How my biggest fear today is becoming true. We've been sitting here for 20 minutes, not getting anything. Starting to get sleepy, so we're probably gonna change spots here so that doesn't happen. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, it's 2:40, and I got this stack offer here from Chipotle showing $12, 2 orders, 3 miles. Jumped on it right away, because again, I've been sitting here for like 25 minutes, I think. Getting really, really sleepy, so we're gonna go get this picked up. We'll see you guys back on the road. Alrighty guys, got the orders dropped off from Chipotle. They both have a little bit extra on top, so we're sitting at 78.01. It's 3 o'clock on the dot, so again, we're slowly moving the needle here. Today has definitely been a struggle for sure. Hopefully by 5 we'll be at $100. I don't see us hitting $200 unless we're staying out till like 10:30, 11, and I'm not doing that. So we're probably gonna stay out till around 7, and we'll see how much we can do. Alrighty guys, it's currently 3:50. Last time we checked in was about 50 minutes ago. That's how long it's taken for us to get another order here, but we finally have one from And Pizza, $7, 3-point-something miles. Best order I've seen by far. We took it and we just picked it up. It was ready. We're about 5-6 minutes away from the customer's drop off, and honestly, I'm really tempted to just go ahead and call it a day, because it's so stinking slow. If after doing the drop off we don't get another order like relatively quick, if it's another 20-30 minutes, I'll probably just go ahead and call it a day then. But we'll keep you guys in the loop. See you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, after doing the drop off from And Pizza, we got this offer here from Panera. I rarely ever go to Panera because the offers are always trash, but this one looked pretty decent on the surface. $6.25, less than like 2-point-something miles, I think. The food was ready, which is a big plus, because when I walked in there, I almost walked right out, because the amount of people waiting for food was crazy. Anyways, let me get this dropped off, and then we're gonna keep it going for now. Alrighty, guys, after doing the drop off here from Panera, we got this offer here from Buffalo Wing Factory, another place I never go to. So today I'm going to a bunch of places I don't usually go to, but you know, it's adapting, right? Because it's slow. So anyways, I'm gonna take this one mainly because of the cash flow, showing $11.50, 9 items. That's a decent amount of items, so there could be a bigger tip on there. And the proximity from the restaurant to the customer drop off, it looks pretty close. So most of these miles are for me to the Buffalo Wing Factory. So anyways, we're gonna go get this picked up. I'm hoping that it's ready. Even if it's not, we'll wait for it, whatever. I've been doing nothing but waiting anyways. So we'll see you guys at the drop off. Alrighty, guys, after what felt like probably forever, we finally got the order picked up and delivered from Buffalo Wing Factory. Ended up having a $27 payout, so it ended up being totally worth it. And then we got this offer here from Honey Grout, stack offer showing $17.37. We went ahead and took it because it's heading in the direction of my house. So we're gonna go ahead and take this offer and then call it a day. We'll finish around $140, and that's completely okay with me considering how slow it is. So let me see the food's ready. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, just got both orders dropped off. So we're gonna finish the dash at $141 with 58 cents. It took us 15 deliveries. So honestly, when I look at my numbers, my active between my dash and active time isn't so bad. You know, I think I did a really good job of staying active as much as I could, but definitely from like 3 to 4, it was awful. Basically, like the whole hour, I just literally did nothing. But anyways, that's another day in the books. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.